Your digital presence requires a very different form of marketing than the old school billboard or radio ad, but you probably already knew that.
Hey, I'm Emily. This is Darlene. We're going to introduce you to what digital marketing is and show you some of the most commonly used tools.
Digital marketing uses the internet and technologies like computers, mobile phones, and other digital media to promote products and services.
Digital marketing employs combinations of techniques such as search engine optimization and marketing, business listings, social media, and email marketing.
SEO is basically all the free things you can do to make your site more appealing to search engines and improve how you rank for particular keywords and phrases.
Optimizing your website ensures you show up front and center in search results, so it's considered one of the best free digital marketing tools.
Search engine marketing, or SEM, is a form of digital marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility on search engine results pages, primarily through pay-per-click or PPC advertising.
PPC is an internet advertising tool used to drive traffic to websites. An advertiser pays a publisher, typically a search engine or a website owner or a network of websites, each time an ad is clicked.
Social platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter also include pay-per-click as one of their advertising tools.
Business listings are a digital marketing tool that help ensure you show up in local search results. Some of the most popular sites are Yelp and Google My Business.
Business listings are generally free, but you're responsible for creating, maintaining, and monitoring the content on them. And using business listings is critical if you want to show up on maps.
Email marketing is another popular tool. It's still the most economical way to promote your business and engage with your customers. And according to the marketing gurus at HubSpot, email marketing has a 3,800% ROI.
Email marketing lets you send targeted and useful information to your customers, promotional content, or simply get the word out about your business.
And that brings us to social media. You can use social media as a paid digital marketing tool by purchasing advertising on many of the social media platforms. But you can also use it as a free digital marketing tool by creating or sharing your valuable content with your customers.
Now, that's a lot of digital marketing tools to choose from, but the good news is we put almost all of them in one place for you, GoDaddy's Digital Marketing Suite. And that's something I'd want to know about. I'm Darlene. This is Emily. Take care.